when we were planning our yearly trip for summer vacation, my wife asked me that we try a new city. Did some research and landed on Arizona. Leading up to the trip, I was asked by 2 different people why I was going there and if I had family there. I guess Arizona isn't thought of as a family destination. That kind of made me wonder, is Arizona even a good place for a family trip? Here's what we ended up doing. All right, Ensign, we're here. You excited? What do you guys want to do first? Grab something to eat?
Yes.
Oh, wow. All right, boys, go. Renly, go. You like it?
Yeah.
Yeah. What about you, Ensign? Good? All right, so we're gonna try the Michelin star taco from here, from the Mexicano.
Did you like the cheese with the queso?
Oh,
Did you like it?
wow. Super flavorful. The corn tortilla is super good. It's soft. Weird.
You want to take it off?
There's not much in it. It's just meat and then like some sauce. That's it. I mean, wow. That's actually super flavorful for not having a ton of ingredients. The nice thing is that the Hyatt did upgrade us to a bigger room. We like different things about it, but I think we all agreed that the multiple pools, the hot tub, the slide, even though it did close at 5, and the beach were pretty cool. Super hot. Probably can see that I'm sweating. All right, so grabbed, what was I supposed to grab again? God, my memory sucks since I turned 40. Anyways, heading back to the pool, and I think I was supposed to just drop stuff off. I don't think I was supposed to bring anything. We'll see when I get there.
Let's ride!
Who's ready to go on the slide?
Me!
Serious? When did it close? Are you serious?
Daddy, I love all that time!
Sorry guys, tomorrow. So today we were supposed to go for a hike this morning, but the kids all woke up and their feet hurt. So, and probably still tired from the early flight last night. So I think what we're gonna do is we're just gonna go ahead and go to this train museum. But before that, I'm gonna go ahead and hit the gym. So check y'all later. Okay, so hungry, but still having fun. Did you guys like the pool yesterday?
Yes.
Yeah, the pool was super nice. We didn't get to go on the slide though, but we're gonna go ahead and try the slide tonight.
No.
Or today. No? Coffee?
Alright.
Matcha. You know, I found another place that has
What is
better
it?
matcha. It's called Hamilton.
Sorry, I burped.
And then now off to the donut place. What do you think?
Oh my god. Good, very, very good.
This way you can see.
Choo-choo. That's a nice necklace, Renly.
It's slightly smaller, that's what it is.
All right, guys, where are we going now?
I don't want
Come here, come here.
park.
Where? Let's go to the park.
Wait. Let's go to the park.
Let's go to the park.
No, wait, no, I should be the one saying it. Let's go to the park.
Okay, guys.
Park.
Okay, guys, let's go. You. You could use a slide. Oh wait, you could use. Reiki right now is vlogging on the way to the pool, so that's cool. After the train museum, Anton was not feeling good, so they all just fell asleep right after we got into the car, and then so we picked up some pizza afterwards and brought it back to the hotel because they were still all sleeping. They were all tired from walking around in the heat. And then we ate at the, everyone changed, and then we went to eat in the lobby of the hotel. And then after that, we just hung out for a little bit. We actually just rested.
Wait, is it up behind you? We have our own channel.
What, Renly?
We have our own channel.
Can you plug your channel? What's your channel?
My channel is called My Channel. No.
That is not your channel. Bacani Bros.
Subscribe. My channel.
Like and subscribe.
It's called Like and Subscribe.
Okay. Oh, you want me to go first though, right guys? Okay, here. So it's morning time right now. Going for a little walk while the kids are still sleeping. Mama's still sleeping. We're heading over to, today we're gonna head over to the new hotel, Marriott. So it was a nice day over here. I think if we come back to Arizona, this would be a good spot to go to again. Hyatt, the Hyatt Regency. So this is pretty cool. The pool is actually the best thing about the resort. They have a nice pool. They have like this really cool water slide that me and the boys went down like 6 or 7 times in a row. But yeah, it's closed right now, obviously, because it's morning. But yeah, sandbar, pretty cool. So just going for a little morning walk before we start our day. Today, we're gonna go for a hike. I forgot what the place was called, but we really need to get out there early because yesterday, we went to the train museum thing and it was way too hot. Where are we going? Gateway? Loop Trail. Okay, let's go. We ended up not finishing the hike because we got there too late and it already had gotten really hot. We ended up turning around about halfway through. I wish we had got there earlier. All right, we're finishing up. I don't know what everybody's doing. We're finishing it up right now. The trail. Oh man, allergies are kicking my butt, but right now we are done here. We're gonna go eat at, I think it's butter something? Pancakes? Ooh, hot.
Same thing as you.
Yeah, right. Can you eat the pancake cookies?
Can I show you? Yeah. I have same thing as them.
All right, so we got to the new hotel. We're at Marriott. The room is unfortunately quite a bit smaller, but it'll do. All right, guys, so we're at the hotel pool, Westin Kierland Hotel pool, and it is hot. Super hot, but it's cool. Had some drinks, chilling. Kids stopped complaining. We walked over here earlier and they were complaining about just walking here. Now, of course, his leg was hurting when we were walking around trying to kind of figure out what's around this area. But as soon as we get to the pool, he's good again. Say hi, guys. Go. Whoa.
You can like go forward in the water, right?
Oh.
That thing. But I can.
Whoa.
I can fit into the pool and then I'm gonna slide down.
Yep. I think we're going.
Can you eat the chicken dinner?
Look at that. Oh, look at Renly. There you go. No, that's perfect. Now, fly.
Okay. Watch out.
Whoa. Oh my gosh. Bro, there's way too many of you guys. What the heck? They not like us. Whoa. Don't let go, bro. Don't let go.
Take that bench.
Thanks. Okay. There's more. Oh, is that it?
Wait, make sure you
Ready, jump! Jump, guys. Yeah, go ahead.
actually not hot right now.
It's not bad, right?
Third floor. Hi.
Yo, Weston Pool. Day before we leave, trying to have some fun. Boys are right there. And a lot of stuff going on over here. I don't know what's going on over there. Go! There. Yeah. Where are you going? Huh? Where are you going? Super nice. Still super nice out here. Yep. There. Let's go. So I think that one would be one.
This will also be, this is all mature. This is
I have these glasses though.
all the ones, yeah. Those are, yeah.
So today is our last day here in Arizona. We're checking out later today. I think around 5 o'clock we're gonna go head over to grab some lunch. But right now we're just hanging out, and I think we're just gonna hit the pool again. Kids love the pool, obviously lazy river and everything. So I think we don't have any other plans besides the pool. So we might head over to the shopping center over here, but no plans yet. All right, boys. And running with jump. Yay! All right, so we're here at the pool. Last day. We just ordered some fries, and the kids are belly flopping in the pool. We're here till probably about 5 or 6, and then we'll head over to the airport. Try to get there a little early. Maybe we'll eat over there at the airport. Our flight is at 8 o'clock, so I think we're gonna try to get there around 6:30 at the latest. And yeah, it's been a great trip. I think I would consider going back to Scottsdale. The hotels were really nice, and the point redemptions were really solid. There were hikes and museums and enough stuff to keep a family busy for a week. The only thing is we had to be indoors most of the time because it was over 104 degrees every day. I spoke to someone at the hotel, and they said a better time to come would be between November and May, when it's cooler, and suggested around spring break. I don't think I would come back around the same time because the heat was just really unbearable. So next time we decide to go back, it definitely would be during one of the cooler months. Hi. Boy.
Bye-bye.
Hi, bub.